Students, in this video we will solve some questions related to perpendicular and parallel to coordinate axis, straight lines parallel and perpendicular to coordinate axis. Equation of lines parallel and perpendicular to x and y axis. First question is, find the equation of a line perpendicular to x axis having intercept -2 on x axis. Solution. First question. First we draw a coordinate system. X axis, y axis, origin. As we know, this is called first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Sign of coordinates in first quadrant be plus, plus, minus, plus, minus, minus and plus, minus. Horizontal line is called x-axis and vertical line is called y-axis, and their point of intersection is called origin, whose coordinates be 0, 0. On x-axis, distances are measured with positive sign in the right of origin, and in the left of origin distances are measured negative with negative sign. And similarly on y-axis, above the origin distances are measured positively and distances below the origin on y-axis are measured as negative. Now, in first question, find the equation of a line perpendicular to x-axis having intercept -2 on x-axis. We draw another coordinate system, x-axis, y-axis, origin. Yes, intercept of -2 on x-axis. So x-axis negative values on x-axis are measured in the left of origin. So -2 means 1 or 2 units. Suppose this distance is -2, from origin to this is -2, and line is perpendicular to x-axis. So x-axis is this whole line perpendicular to x-axis and making intercept -2 on x-axis. -2 means in the left of origin. So equation of line is this, and equation of line is x is equal to -2, because intercept on x-axis is -2 and line is perpendicular to x-axis. Second question. Find the equation of a line parallel to x-axis having intercept -2 on y-axis. Another coordinate system is here, x-axis, y-axis, origin. Yes, line is parallel to x-axis. So parallel to x-axis line will be above origin will intersect y-axis, or below origin will intersect y-axis. And since intercept is -2, so -2 on y-axis, suppose this distance is -2. From origin to this point, distance is 2, but below the origin is lying this point, so sign is -2. So -2 intercept on y-axis and parallel to x-axis. So line will go in this way. This is required line. And equation of this line is y is equal to -2, because line is intersecting y-axis below the origin at a distance of 2 units. So this distance is -2, y equals to -2, or we can write it as y plus 2 equals to 0. This is a line parallel to x-axis making intercept of 2 units below the origin on y-axis. Third question. Find the equation of a line parallel and perpendicular to x-axis and passing through this point. So draw another coordinate system. X-axis, y-axis, origin. First plot this point 3 minus 5. 3 minus 5, positive, negative. Positive, negative, we have point in fourth quadrant. So 3 minus 5 is a point in fourth quadrant. Suppose lying here. 3 minus 5. And now we have to draw a line parallel and perpendicular to x-axis. A line parallel to x-axis passing through this point. So line will be this. This is a line passing through point 3 minus 5 and parallel to x-axis. This line parallel to x-axis is intersecting y-axis at this point. And distance from origin to this point is 5. First coordinate is called abscissa and second called ordinate. Abscissa is measured on x-axis and ordinate is measured on y-axis. So minus 5 means distance from this point to this point is 5, and equation of line will be equation of line parallel to x-axis passing through the point 3 minus 5 is y equals to minus 5 or y plus 5 is equal to 0. Again I repeat it, line parallel to x-axis is this, and this line is passing through this point whose coordinates are 3 and minus 5. This distance is equal to 5, negative sign showing that line is below the origin. So y equals to, on y-axis distance is 5 units, so y equals to minus 5 or y plus 5 is equal to 0, a line parallel to x-axis passing through given point. Second, perpendicular to x-axis, equation of line perpendicular to x-axis passing through same point, passing through the point 3 minus 5. Perpendicular to x-axis, a line is like this, and this line passes through this point. So this line is intersecting x-axis at this point, and distance of this point from origin is equal to this distance, and this distance is 3. So distance is 3 from origin to this point. X is equal to 3 or x minus 3 equals to 0 is the equation of line perpendicular to x-axis and passing through this point. Next, fourth question. Find the equation of a line equidistant from y is equal to 10 and y equals to minus 2. X-axis, y-axis. First line is y is equal to 10. Y equals to 10 is a line parallel to x-axis above the origin at a distance of 10 units from origin. This is origin, and suppose here distance is 10 from origin to this point, distance is 10. So equation of line y equals to 10 is this. Line is this. Y is equal to 10. And y equals to minus 10, another line. So negative distance go up 2 units below the origin. Line is this, suppose y is equal to minus 2 below the origin. So distance between these two given lines is 12 unit, 10 unit from origin to this point and 2 unit from origin to this point. So total distance is 12 unit. And midpoint or 12 unit will lie at a distance from both lines 6 unit. So 6 unit from this point and 6 unit from this point. 6 because 10 plus 2 12 and its half is 6. From origin 4 unit distance is this, suppose this is 4 unit distance. This distance is 4 unit from origin and 2 unit distance below the origin of this point. This is 2 unit distance. 2 or 4 6. So 6 from this point to this and 6 from this point to this, means line will pass through this point. This line is equidistant from this line, y is equal to 10, and from y is equal to -2. So distance from origin to this point is 4 and measured on y axis above the origin. So required equation is y equals to 4. So these are the solutions of these 4 questions, and next questions we will solve in next video. Thank you.